2:18. Mama has been sleeping the whole day. I didn't go out this morning. Oh, the keys on the door. Okay, come. I'll go after class. My leg is feeling better. So I can walk without limping. I was hesitating to take the laptop down, but because I want to go out straight after class. I'll leave it in the library with my water bottle. Come back, exercise a little, and take the laptop and water bottle. I had a piece of the slice of cake, if that makes sense. Can get the taste of rum. I had it with black coffee. It's already sweet. It's plain black coffee. Had my shake in the morning. That's it. I must get something for Mau Mau. Wait, let me get some money from the fees, and then I need to send off the rent today. You repair itu lampu jangan lupa bila sana last ni corner sekali dekat kamera. Thank you. Reminded him about the bulb. I just have drumstick today. No more Wayne on Thursdays. Drumsticks class is to replace Tuesday. She had her ukulele practice. Must ask her if she wants to make Thursday permanent. And Tuesday I'll just have Blue and Sean. Polo Green is back. He's passing his tickets. Roy. இது நல்லது Roy. Home soy. Bisoy, ha. Kota le. Kota le. Oh, ada சின்னது. ஜில்னு குஞ்சினா இது நல்லா இருக்கு. Bisoy. அது ரைட் தான். Bisoy, ஆமா. Oh, 1st of August. ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டேன் ஆனால் அதில் வந்து சீனி இருக்கு ராய். சீனி இருக்கு வந்து சீனி இல்லாமல் நோ ப்ரிசர்வேட்டிவ்ஸ், இது ப்ரௌன் சுகர், லெஸ் சுகர். கிளாஸ் பாட்டில் வந்து சுகர் ஆனால் நல்லா இருக்குல்ல, ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஆமாம், கிறிசெந்தமம் டீ நல்லா இருக்கும். இந்த பிளாக்ல பி பிளாக் சொல்லிட்டேன் ஏற்கனவே பிரச்சனை வந்துருச்சு, இந்த மாதிரி முடியாது போலீஸ்லாம் நான் வந்துட்டேன் சொல்லிட்டேன். எடுக்கிறது அவங்களோட பசாய் அவங்க போய் வச்சு அவங்க நம்மளுக்கு வேலை தெரிய நம்ம சொல்லிட்டோம். ஆமா, முந்தி நோட்டீஸ் போட்டாங்க அவங்களுக்கு தேவையான சேவா கொடுக்க முடியாது. ஆமாம், நோட்டீஸ் போர்டில் போட்டாங்க. ஆமாம்ல, ட்ரக்ஸ் எல்லாம் செய்கிறாங்க, ஆக்குறாங்க மேலே ட்ரக்ஸ் தூள் எல்லாம். போலீஸ் வந்துட்டாங்க. Oh, there's a policy here. No renting or selling to Africans. No offense, but yeah. Previously, woke up one morning, commotion downstairs. I looked out the window, police cars, trucks, 3 of them handcuffed, sitting there near the motor park. They had a drug lab, one of the units upstairs. Heroin. They were producing heroin. And then another case, B block. They were raided by the police for drug trafficking, money laundering, and they won't pay their bills. No more renting to them. She said that a group of them came wanting to rent a unit in Block B. There was once one of them who tried flirting with me when I used to work at the mini market. I told him, I said, look here, whatever it is you think you can achieve, delete it in your mind. I'm not interested. Regardless of. Good afternoon, my darling. I forgot your present. I see you near, remember. See you near. Carried so many things down, I totally forgot. Never mind. I can pass it to your mom. I totally forgot. I saw you playing ping pong yesterday with your grandpa. When I came back, I saw you. Yesterday, 5 something. No, about 5 I came back, 5 sharp. Saw you. How was your ukulele practice Tuesday? I want to ask you, do you want to change your tuition from Tuesday to Thursday permanently?
Cannot. Tuesday.
Today is Thursday.
No, I know, but every Thursday I go back my
Babysitters.
babysitter house. Today
Oh.
don't have only because tomorrow have ping pong and I want to go food fair. So today.
What food fair?
Food fair.
Where? School?
School ping pong finish, we go food fair.
Okay. So Tuesday. Bye.